To Kisumu County, a 24-year-old woman will spend 15 years in prison after a Kisumu court found her guilty of defiling a minor.
Principal Magistrate Joan Wambilyanga found her guilty of defilement and intentionally performing an indecent act on a minor at Kicomi area of Kisumu.
Judith admitted to defiling the minor, but in her defense, she claimed the boy, who is a bodaboda rider, appeared older and thus she was unable to establish his age when they first met.
The boy's parents say the minor was still in primary school.